Most people over 60 believe one simple thing. If I walk every day, I'll stay strong. It sounds right, it feels safe. But this is what's quietly putting millions at risk. Walking keeps you moving, but it does not stop muscle loss. After 50, your muscles shrink every year, your legs get weaker, your balance drops, and your reactions slow down. You don't notice it until one moment your legs don't respond fast enough, and everything changes. But this decline is not permanent. Your body can rebuild strength even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. You just need the right movements. That's why today I'll show you 3 simple exercises to help you feel steady, strong, and safe again. Exercise 1, squats. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly sit down as if you are about to rest, then stand back up. Keep your chest up and your knees slightly outward. Do 8 to 10 slow repetitions. This strengthens your thighs and hips, makes standing and sitting easier, and helps you stay independent as you age. Exercise 2. Single leg balance. Stand next to a wall or chair for support. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and balance on the other leg. Keep your body upright and steady. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg. This strengthens stabilizing muscles, improves balance control, and trains your body to prevent falls before they happen. Exercise 3. Calf raises. Stand straight and hold on to a wall or chair for support. Slowly lift your heels off the ground so you are standing on your toes. Hold for 1 second, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This improves blood flow, reduces leg swelling, strengthens your ankles, and helps prevent sudden loss of balance. Just 10 minutes a day of these 3 exercises can make a big difference. Start today, stay consistent, and your strength and balance will come back step by step.